car has been off the road for 10 years now. It's time to get it back on the road. I've had the head resurfaced, cleaned, rebuilt the carb, had a new core put on the radiator, got a new fan, and otherwise just cleaned things up. New fan blade. I've painted all the pulleys and the generator housing. You can see that while I had the radiator out of the radiator shop, I changed it to 850 style thermostat instead of the 600 style thermostat. And I had the top radiator pipe turned 90 degrees so that it comes out the back like an 850 does. Sounds pretty good. Oh, idle, maybe a little high. Still have some more adjustments to do. Super trap sounds pretty cool. Let's see how it revs. Smoky. There's a couple of things left to do before getting this on the road. Most important thing is getting my front brakes plumbed. But I'm excited to get this on the road.